Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with MyCase CRM step by step clearly. To connect with MyCase CRM, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the MyCase login page. If you do not have an account yet, click on the sign up option to create one. Fill out the required fields with your information. After completing the sign up, check your email for a confirmation link. Click on the link to verify your account. Once your account is verified, return to the login page. Enter your registered email address and password to access your account. After logging in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. To connect additional features or integrations, navigate to the Settings menu. Look for the Integrations section within the settings. Choose the applications you wish to connect with MyCase CRM. Follow the prompts for each application to authorize the connection. Ensure that you grant all necessary permissions for seamless integration. After connecting your applications, return to the dashboard. Test the integrations to confirm they are functioning as expected. Explore the features that enhance your workflow made possible by MyCase CRM. Regularly check for updates or new integrations that can benefit your practice. Utilize the support resources available for any troubleshooting needs. Stay informed about the latest features for optimal use of MyCase CRM. Adjust your settings as necessary for better customization. Once familiar, integrate MyCase seamlessly into your daily operations. By following these steps, you'll effectively connect with MyCase CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.